In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint fonts, whether you're prepping for that all-important business presentation, a school project that needs to stand out, or just looking to add a sprinkle of creativity to your slides. Having the right font can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of downloading and installing new fonts into Microsoft PowerPoint, ensuring your presentation not only conveys your message, but also captivates your audience with visual appeal. Let's begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. For many of us, PowerPoint is a familiar tool, a playground of ideas and information. However, adding a custom font might seem a bit daunting if you've never ventured beyond the built-in library. Fret not, for this process is surprisingly straightforward. Once PowerPoint is open, proceed to launch the file you're working on from the opening screen. This could be a presentation you've poured hours into, a template you're modifying, or a brand new project you're just starting. Regardless, it's crucial to have your file open and ready, as seeing the new font in action is part of the fun. Next, it's time to find and download your desired font. The internet is a treasure trove of fonts, with websites like Google Fonts, Dayfont, and Font Squirrel offering an abundance of free options. When choosing a font, consider the tone and topic of your presentation. A playful event might call for a whimsical script, while a professional conference demands something cleaner and more refined. Once you've found the perfect font, download it to your computer, typically arriving in a zip format. After downloading, you'll need to install the font. This might sound technical, but it's as easy as pie. Navigate to the downloaded.zip file and double-click to open it. Inside you'll find the font files, often in TTF or .otf formats. Select these files, right-click and choose Install. Windows will take care of the rest, adding your new font to the system and by extension to PowerPoint's font library. Now return to your PowerPoint presentation, eager to see the fruit of your labour. Click on any text box or create a new one to test your font. You should find your newly installed font listed among the other fonts in PowerPoint. Select it and voila, your text transforms, wearing its new style with pride. A few tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, keep in mind that not all fonts are created equal. Some are specifically designed for headings and titles, while others excel in body text. Experiment with your font choices to find what works best for your presentation's visual hierarchy. Secondly, while personal use fonts are typically free, make sure to check the license if you're planning to use the font for commercial purposes. The last thing you want is copyright trouble over a font choice. Lastly, remember that if you share your PowerPoint presentation with others, they won't see the custom font unless they have it installed on their device. You can circumvent this issue by saving your presentation as a PDF, or embedding the font within the PowerPoint file, though this feature might require a bit more digging through the software's options. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to infusing your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations with a dash of typographic flair. By following these instructions, you've not only expanded your presentation's aesthetic capabilities, but also taken another step in mastering PowerPoint. With countless fonts at your disposal, each presentation offers a chance to explore and express your ideas in visually compelling ways. Remember, the power of a presentation lies not just in the facts and figures it conveys, but in how it engages and impacts its audience. The right font can echo your message's tone, emphasize key points, and make your presentation memorable. So, dive into the vast world of fonts and let your creativity lead the way to stunning, effective presentations that leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial on how to add PowerPoint fonts. I hope you found it insightful and are now equipped to take your presentations to the next level. Happy designing!